You're going to reach the sky. Fly. Yes, we all are born to fly. Namaste, dear audience, my beloved friends. Now we have reached the most awaited part of our today's celebration. Once Swami Chinmayanandaji said, the look of an object will depend upon the medium through which the observer views it. In fact, our mental and intellectual conditions will determine the phenomenal world observed and experienced. The botanist viewing a flower will see it differently from a poet viewing the same flower. Each one of us interprets the objects that he sees in terms of his existing knowledge. Our today's play is inspired by an unforgettable story, Wonder, penned by the renowned author R.J. Palacio. It's a story of an ordinary boy with an extraordinary journey. He lives with his mom, Ishani, dad Namit, sister Vinaya. Aditya is a boy who can't be hushed into silence or invisibility in his world. Rather, he has the power to move hearts and change minds.
My name is Aditya. I won't describe what I look like. Whatever you are thinking, it's probably worse.
Mom, what is wrong with this boy?
I know. I am not an ordinary 10-year-old boy. I mean, sure I do ordinary things. I eat ice cream, I ride my cycle, I play ball, and I have Xbox. Stuff like that makes me ordinary, I guess, and I feel ordinary inside. But I know ordinary kids don't make other ordinary kids run away screaming in an ice cream parlor. Ordinary kids don't get stared wherever they go. But if I found a magic lamp and I could have one wish, I would wish I had a normal face that no one ever noticed at all. I would wish I could walk down street without people seeing me and then doing their look away things. Here's what I think. The only reason I'm not ordinary is that no one else sees me that way. but I'm kind of used to how I look by now. I know how to pretend. I don't see the faces people make. We all gotten pretty good at that sort of things. Me, mom and dad, and my Didi Vinaya. Actually, I take that back. Didi not so good at it. She can get really annoyed when people do something rude. Like for instance, in the playground, some older kid made some noises. I didn't even know what the noises were exactly. But my Dee heard and she just started yelling at the kids. That's the way she is. But I'm not that way. Didi wouldn't feel like she needs to protect me as much. She says she does. But if I were ordinary. And mom and dad didn't see me as ordinary. Either they see me as extraordinary. And the only person in the whole world who realizes how ordinary I am is only me. My name is Aditya. By the way, I won't describe what I look like. Whatever you are thinking, it's probably worse. You all might be thinking, how do I face all my friends and all? I have 27 surgeries since birth. They help me to breathe, to see, to hear without hearing aids. Some of them also help me to look bit better. But none of them help me to look ordinary. Let me tell you one thing. Till now, I didn't go to the real school. Why? Why I haven't gone to the school? You all might be thinking because of the way I look. But it's not because of that. It's because all the surgeries I have had. I have some other medical mysteries that doctor never really figured out. I used to get sick a lot. So my parents decided it was better I didn't go to school. Yes, I was homeschooled by my mother. But now I will be in 5th grade. And my mother thinks I should go in the school.
Raj, we must go from here.
Mom, what is wrong with this boy?
Okay, guys, I think it's time to go.
Mom, please tell me what was wrong with that boy?
Raj, please stop staring like that. Let's move.
But Mom,
You boys are very naughty. Very naughty you are. We left the place this way. Hey Bhagwan, that poor lady. She must have felt very bad. I tell you boys, every day we should thank the Lord for His blessings. You hear me?
But has he won a mask?
he hasn't worn a mask.
Again you have started, Raj.
Why are you so annoyed, Mom?
It was bad how we did that. Just getting up like that. Like we had just seen the devil. I was scared for what Johnny was going to say. You know, I did not want him to say anything that would hurt that little boy's feelings. But it was very bad living like that. His mom understood what was going on.
But we did not mean it.
Raj, sometimes you don't have to mean to hurt someone. You understand?
But Mom, it's hard not to sneak a second look. It's hard to act normal when you see him.
It was a long drive home from the ice cream parlor. But the incident was not new for Das family. Though Ishani has a desire to send Aditya in the middle school. Because deep inside she knows the adversity. Obstacles will strengthen Aditya.
We can't keep him protecting always. We must help him to learn to deal with adversity.
So, you mean sending him off to school like a lamb to the slaughter?
What's a lamb to the slaughter?
Go back to sleep, Adi.
Everyone will stare at me at school.
Dear, if you don't want to go, you don't. No one will force you, but the principal really wants to meet you.
What did you tell him about me?
How funny you are, and how kind and smart, and about your surgeries, how brave you are.
So he knows what I look like?
We showed him pictures. He is a nice man.
Dad, you were there too?
We both talked to Mr. Batliwala, the principal. He's a nice man.
Wait, so when did you meet him?
We met him in the last month.
Last month? You have been thinking about this for a whole month and you didn't tell me.
We didn't know if we would even get in, Aditya. It's a quite difficult to get an admission in St. Mary's High School. It's an inclusive school. Both you and Vinaya can join only if you wish to.
He said he doesn't want to go, but he is ready.
No, he's not ready.
I cannot homeschool him forever. Every year that we wait, it'll just be harder to start. This is the first year of middle school for everyone. He'll not be the only new kid.
Okay, well, he is going to be the only new kid that looks like him. For just 1 second, and please listen, it's like leading a lamb to the slaughter, and you know it.
Adi, if you don't want to go, you don't have to, but it would be good for you.
Maybe I'll go next year, but not this year.
This year would be better, Adi. It's the first year of middle school for everyone.
I'll be the only kid who looks like me. I know, Mom.
It'll be a challenge, but good for you. You'll make lots of friends. You will learn things you'd never learn with me. They have a big science lab also.
But I don't want to go, Mom.
Can you at least meet Mr. Batliwala, the principal, before making up your mind?
Mr. Batliwala?
Yes, he's the principal.
Mr. Batliwala.
Can you believe that name, Adi? Imagine hearing it over the loudspeaker.
Mr. Batliwala.
Hello, battling Mr. Batliwala.
Adi hasn't even met the man yet.
Poor Mr. Batliwala.
Who is Mr. Batliwala?
He's the principal of our new school.
Okay.
The little Aditya, who has never been to a real school before, was completely petrified. But it will be a milestone, which marks the beginning of a new chapter in his life. Aditya was trying to escape away from the eye contact, which was reflecting his insecurity and consciousness of being looked at. His baby steps were going to enter into the bigger world, a little away from parents.
I can't believe we are meeting Mr. Batliwala. Dad's jokes about his name were hilarious. पर हम बाटलीवाला को नहीं बताएंगे.
Adi, shh. Namaste, Mr. Batliwala. It's so nice to see you again. This is my son, Aditya.
Hello, dear Aditya. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Namaste.
Your mom and dad have told me a lot about you.
Like what have they told you?
Adi, you must speak up, my child.
Like what?
That you like to read and that you are a great artist and you are into science, right?
Yes.
You know, Aditya, we have a couple of great science selectives at St. Mary's. Maybe you will take one of them?
Yeah, okay.
Also, we have a science fair named Manthan. And from what your homeschool teacher tells me, you will get first prize. You hear that, Aditya? Then right before graduation, whole class takes a trip to a nature reserve in Vada. It is the highlight of the year. I promise. For today, you will have a tour of the school.
You mean we are doing that now?
Did you think you were going to the movies?
You didn't tell me we were taking a tour.
It'll be fine, Adi. Mr. Batliwala has promised.
Hello. Hello, Mrs. Gracie. Please come to my cabin. I have just called Mrs. Gracie. Oh, here she is. By the way, this is Mrs. Gracie.
Namaste, ma'am. I, Mrs. Ishani Das, and this is Aditya. Nice to meet you.
Such a pleasure to meet you. Hello, Aditya.
Namaste, ma'am.
You can call me as Mrs. G. That's what everyone calls me, you know? Mrs. G, I forgot my combination. Mrs. G, I need a late pass. Mrs. G, I want to change my elective, etc., etc.
You guys know, Mrs. G is actually the one who runs the place.
I am here every morning by 7:30. So, if you ever need anything, Aditya, I am the one to ask and you can ask me anything.
Okay.
So, are you ready for the grand tour of our school?
Of course he is ready. Aditya, I have called Rajgiri, Joy and Charu. They will take you for this tour.
Meeting kids is harder than meeting adults. Everyone makes the same face at first. But kids aren't as good at hiding it. So, I usually look down until the first reaction passes.
Okay, then I'll call them.
Why do you have your own room?
You mean, why do I have an office?
Does Mrs. G also have her own cabin? You said she runs the place.
Oh well, I was kind of kidding. Mrs. G is my assistant.
Mr. Batliwala is the principal of the school.
So, do they call you Mr. B?
Do you know who Mr. B is? I pity the fool. Anyways, no one calls me Mr. B. Though I have a feeling I am called a lot of other things I don't know about. Let's face it, a name like mine is not so easy to live with. You know what I mean, right?
I know this.
Adi, shh.
Now that's bad. I guess I shouldn't complain. Hey, so listen Aditya, here's what I thought we would do today.
Is that a bottle?
Don't interrupt, sweetie.
You like it? I do too. And I thought it was a bottle too. Until the students who gave it to me explained that it is actually not a bottle. It is... Are you ready for this? A portrait of me. Now Aditya, I ask you, do I really look that much like a bottle?
Yeah, I mean no.
Okay, fine. Mrs. Gracie, please call the students.
Students, please come in.
Thanks for coming, students. Especially, school doesn't start until next month. Have you had a good summer vacation?
Yes.
Great. So guys, I wanted you to meet Aditya. Aditya, these guys have been students of St. Mary's since kindergarten. This is Rajgiri.
Hey.
This is Joy.
Hello.
And Charu.
Hi Aditya, nice to meet you.
Okay, now you can go for this grand tour.
Come on, Aditya, let's go. Come on.
It's undoubtedly a daunting task for Ishani to live Aditya's hand for the first time. And simultaneously, it's really difficult for Mr. Batliwala to make Aditya fit in St. Mary's High School. He said Aditya had a presumption that his facial deformity will set him apart. make him a target, and heartbreaks will shatter him.
This is our classroom and this is interactive panel which has many applications. We have Miss Priyadarshini. They say she is okay at least as a mother teacher. I heard she is really strict if you get her for max though.
That's not true. My sister had her last year and said she's totally nice.
Not what I heard, but whatever. Let's go to the science lab. This is the science lab. So the science elective is supposedly really hard. So you probably won't be spending much time here. No offense, but if you have never been in a real school before.
Dude, he's been homeschooled.
Okay, I'm just saying, science is supposedly really hard.
But you're taking it too, right? Hey, maybe you could fail together. Why don't you get out of the way so I can check it out?
Okay, I mean, there's nothing much to see. Desks, chairs, the test tubes, beakers. Those are some really gross science posters. Oh, and this is a duster.
Oh, come on, Joy. He knows what a duster is.
How am I supposed to know what he knows? He doesn't say anything.
You know what a duster is, right?
Dude, you have to say something.
Yeah, I know what a duster is. Is your name Raj or Rajgiri?
I thought his name is Rajgiri.
Yeah, a lot of people call me by my first name and last name. I don't know why. Got any other questions?
Actually, I have got a question for Aditya. What's the deal with your face? I mean, were you in a car crash or something?
What?
Mr. Batliwala said we could ask question if we wanted to.
Not rude questions like that. Besides, he was born like that, Mr. Batliwala said.
Yeah, I know. I just thought maybe he was like in a fire too.
Hey, Joy, shut up!
You shut up!
Why don't we all shut up?
No, I wasn't in a fire. And the word is supposedly.
What?
You said that science is supposedly really hard twice. The word is supposedly with a letter D. Maybe my mom can homeschool you too.
Oops, sorry about that.
यारों से मिलने बंधन के निकले हम सवेरे सवेरे यारों से मिलने घर से दूर चले हम रोके से ना रुके हम मर्जी से चले हम बादल सा गरजे हम सावन 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 से हम सूरज सा चमके हम स्कूल चले हम स्कूल चले हम हो दरवाजे से दुनिया के राज खुलते हैं कोई आगे चलता है हम पीछे चलते हैं दीवारों पे किस्मत अपनी लिखी जाती है इससे हमको जीने की वजह मिलती जाती है हम रुके से ना रुके हम मर्जी से चले हम बादल सा गरजे हम सावन सावन से हम सूरज सा चमके हम स्कूल चले हम स्कूल चले हम मर्जी से चले हम बादल सा गरजे हम सावन सावन से हम स्कूल चले हम स्कूल चले हम स्कूल चले हम
At last, Aditya is ready to go to school. He experiences a wave of anxiety for the first day of his school, which causes butterflies in his stomach to flap like pigeons. Even his nervous parents pretended to be excited to make the fifth grader feel more confident on this prime day of his life. Know Your School had created positive effect on Aditya. On the first day, he directly went in room number 19 because he knew exactly where he had to do. He noticed that some students were staring at him, but he did his thing of pretending not to notice.
Okay, Adi, two rules. First, only raise your hand once a class. No one. So many answers you know, except for science. Crush that one. Second, you are going to feel like you are all alone. But remember, you are not.
Come on, costumes are for plays. Prepare for blast of major.
Everyone is just as nervous as you are. Just remember that this is everyone's first day of school. Okay? All the best, Aditya.
Everyone, yes, everyone, come on, found your seats? Okay, great. Namaste, students.
Namaste, ma'am.
I, Miss Priyadarshini, your mother teacher. You will be learning English from me. So, let's start our today's day with a wonderful word. Can anyone tell me what this word means? Anyone? Yes, you. Important things. Okay. Precept are rules for really important things, like mottos, or like famous quote, or like a line from a fortune cookie, right? Precept can help us, motivate us. They can guide us when we have to make decision about really important things. Okay?
Miss, why are we discussing about this word today?
Because precept can also tell us a lot about ourselves. Who is it that I aspire to be? That's the question that we should be asking ourselves all the time. What kind of person am I? So, this is what we are going to do. Now, everyone is going to come up with 2 things that they think everyone else should know about them. If you would ask me, then I used to work in Bombay Stock Exchange for a long time. And then I left it to pursue my dream and teach.
That's cool about how you are pursuing your dream.
Thank you. Now I want everyone to think of 2 things you want others to they don't already know. And if you know some of the other kids, try to share things they don't already know. Let's start with you.
Okay, so my name is Joy, and the number 1 thing I would like to tell everyone about myself is that recently my uncle gifted me an awesome video game. And the number 2 thing is that we got a ping pong table this summer.
Very nice. I love ping pong. Any questions for Joy? No questions? Okay, it's your turn.
Oh, sure. My name is Sumi. I have 2 sisters and we just got a new puppy named Suki in July. We got her from an animal shelter and she's so cute.
That's great, Sumi. Thank you. Okay, who's next? Yes, Aditya. It's your turn. Aditya? 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 Child. What happened, child? Is everything all right? Can you tell something about you?
My name is Aditya.
What?
Can you please speak up, dear?
My name is Aditya. I have a sister named Vinaya and a dog named Daisy. And that's it.
Okay, we will continue with introductions again in our next English class. Coming back to precept, Sumi, will you give it a try? Can you think of one? Want to give it a shot?
Today's precept is, when given the choice between being right or being kind, choose kind.
Wonderful. With that thought, have a wonderful day and a spectacular academic year ahead. Ever since Aditya was little, the doctor suggested his parents that someday he would need hearing aids. But Aditya had a strong dislike for this. Since few days his hearing was getting worse. The ocean sound in his head had been getting louder and louder. But his annual checkup had indicated that it's the time.
Ever since I was little, the doctors had told my parents that someday I'd need hearing aids. I don't know why this always freaks me out a bit. Maybe anything to do with my ears bothers me a lot. My hearing was getting worse, but I hadn't told anyone about it. The ocean sound that was always in my head had been getting louder. It was drowning out people's voices.
Aditya, it's time. We need 2 devices.
I don't want hearing aids.
We need to address this, dear. It will be helpful for you. They may look big, but we had to design them this way for your unique situation.
I'm not wearing that thing.
This curved piece connects to the tubing on the ear mold. We took impressions so that it fits snugly. This is the tone hook, and here's the special part attached to the headband. You will get used to them quickly. How's that, Aditya?
Totally uncomfortable.
You will get used to them. I haven't turned them on yet. Wait until you hear the difference.
I hate them. They don't make any difference.
And now, Let's turn them on.
The ocean, it's gone. It's like shiny lights in my brain. Bright, but for hearing.
Sweetie, do you hear anything different?
Are you hearing better?
Shout, Mom. It's so quiet in my ears.
Are you hearing better?
I don't hear that noise anymore.
You have bionic hearing now, buddy. Find the volume that works for you. Look here. Are you okay with your new bionic robot hearing aids?
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Jagat.
Thanks a lot, Dr. Jagat.
An investment in knowledge pays the best returns. This is truly apt for students of St. Mary's High School. Like every year, this year also, St. Mary's High School was gearing up for Manthan, Inspiring Excellence of Science 2023-24. Marians were eager to show their expertise through exhibit. These days were magnificent days, the days of knowledge, skill and learning, innovation, exploration, observation and invention. Aditya had also started mingling warm-heartedly with his buddies.
I'm not the greatest student in the world. I know some kids actually like the school. But I honestly can't say I do. I like some parts of school, like PE and computer class. I don't want to know the difference between kinetic and potential energy. I'm like, who cares? I've never ever heard my parents say the word kinetic in my whole life.
We will work together for Manthan. And science is cool, man. Computer is science. You will see. It will be wonderful.
विचारों का मंथन, कलाओं का मंथन, संकल्पों का मंथन, आविष्कारों का मंथन, विचारों का मंथन, कलाओं का मंथन, संकल्पों का मंथन, आविष्कारों का मंथन, छोटे बड़े कल्पनाओं का है मंथन, छोटे बड़े कल्पनाओं का है मंथन, मंथन ये है मंथन, मंथन ये है मंथन, मंथन ये है मंथन, मंथन ये है मंथन। जीवन उसमें यहाँ की अतिरिक्त धारा है, जीवन उसमें सवारा है, नई दिशाएं दी उसने, उसी ने विश्व को तारा है, ज्ञान की अतिरिक्त धारा है, जीवन उसने सवारा है, नई दिशाएं दी उसने, उसी ने विश्व को तारा है, छोटे बड़े कल्पनाओं का है मंथन, छोटे बड़े कल्पनाओं का है मंथन।
That's awesome! You have won this competition. And this year's Best Manthan Model Award 2023-24 goes to Rajgiri and team.
Manthan, inspiring excellence. Manthan, inspiring excellence. Manthan, inspiring excellence. Manthan, inspiring excellence.
for children. Children, necessity is the mother of science. Curiosity is for children. Children, resource of wonderful, resource of beautiful, beautiful one. How's that? Manthan, inspiring, excellent. Manthan, inspiring, excellent. Manthan, inspiring, excellent. Manthan, inspiring, excellence. Inspiring, excellence. Inspiring, excellence.
Dude, wow! I can't believe we have won this competition.
See, I told you, it will be wonderful.
Really, science is cool, man. Thank you, Aditya. I learned many things.
I am not happy how Raj can win this competition. I will talk to my mom.
Especially results had created discontent among parents, especially Joy's mother. Though the judgment was unbiased, parents decided to raise this topic in the PTA meet, which is going to be held in the month of December.
Good morning, sir. Joy's parents are here to meet you.
Okay, please call them in. Hello, Mr. and Mrs. D'Souza. How can I help you?
Mr. Bartleywala, we specifically wanted to meet you on behalf of other parents as well. We feel that you have been slightly partial in awarding Raj the best Manthan project.
I assure you, ma'am, Raj is a very good student. We had a rubric based on various parameters like ingenuity, presentation, and originality. And he really outdid himself in most of them. Sure, Joy too work hard and can try for the trophy next year.
And this has nothing to do with Raj's friendship with Aditya. You know, Mr. Bartleywala, it has been too much to ask normal students in the class to process all that. Why wasn't he held to stringent application standards when he had no formal schooling to enter St. Mary's High School? We parents feel it's too much pressure being placed on the young shoulder, a great burden on the impressionable minds.
Ma'am, Aditya can't change the way he looks. So maybe we can change the way we see him. When I included Joy to be a part of inclusion committee, I didn't expect this to be a burden. In fact, I thought it would teach them a thing or two about empathy, friendship and loyalty. Aditya was in fact homeschooled and is a good student and has secured the friendship of some truly exceptional young people like Rajgiri.
After all the money that we have poured into this school, Jan, but thank you for. We have a lot of friends on the school board. But thank you for this. We won't be back next term.
Mom, I like this school. I have many friends here. Dad.
Let's go, Joy. Come on.
Sir, I'm really sorry. Joy, I wish you all the best for your future. We will miss you, dear.
We all are unique and have our own special place in the puzzle of this universe. Being unique make it easier for us to stand out from the crowd and show our true self. This uniqueness is shaped by the school and society where we live in. Indeed, a child's character and skill are significantly shaped by their experiences.
Has to compare. It means there's no one like you, and no one has to compare the way you are. You're unique, and what we all should say is in your own way. You're a shining star. The way you look, the way you speak, it's all unique.
Every year in the month of February, the 5th grader of St. Mary's High School go for a night stay at Dark Matters Astronomical Observatory along with other schools. The teachers have been prepping them about this all year long. So all the kids in the greet are excited, including Aditya. Come on everyone, be quiet, please be attentive. Welcome everyone. Welcome to the Dark Matters Astronomical Observatory. Are you all ready for them to observe the mysteries of the sky? So, are you all ready for this? Great. Now I want everyone to come one by one near this telescope so that we can observe planets like Saturn, Jupiter and Venus. At first, St. Mary students will come, followed by modern high school students. Okay? And yes, please maintain silence and discipline. Come on, make a line.
Hey, Aditya, let's go to campfire.
Why?
Let's go. We can observe these planets afterwards. Wow, it's so warm here.
Now, let's go back, Raj.
Wait for some time, Aditya. Why are you in hurry?
What do we get here? Couple of losers stinking up the woods. Look at his face.
Oh my god. Never seen anything that ugly in my whole life.
Maybe it's an oak.
Dude, let's go.
Go where? Hey, talking to you, Golam. This is the one masked to rule them all. My precious.
Hey, what's the problem? Leave him alone.
Your friend is my problem.
Hey, leave him alone. What are you going to do about it? Get out of my way.
Hey, you shut up, goblin.
What's the problem, man?
What's this? More little freaks.
What do you call us? Freaks? Why are you troubling them? Come on, talk to me. Come on, prep boy.
Come on, prep boy.
Oh man, come on, dude, come on. Let's go, let's get out.
How did you guys know we needed help?
We saw them troubling you. I think they were 7th graders. They were huge.
Thanks, guys. You totally saved us.
Little dude. Yeah, thanks guys. You know, it was cool. I stood your ground, little dude.
When I went back to school the next day, the first thing noticed was that there was a big shift. Maybe even cosmic shift. Everyone had heard about what had happened. So suddenly, I wasn't known for what I had always been known for, but for this other thing that had happened in the observatory. So, story had gotten bigger and bigger each time it was told. How we got into a fight with huge 7th graders and how Amir and Raj and others stood up for me. I was grateful. Even Joy started being nice to me.
यारी के रंग में ऐसे मलंग है, खुशी की यही तो आवाज है। लहर हो गम की या हो बहारी, यारो बिना अधूरी हर एक शाम है। देखो कैसी है ये यारी, जैसे ज्यादा हमको प्यारी फ्रेंडशिप अपनी सबसे कराई है ना। देखो कैसी है ये यारी, जान से ज्यादा हमको प्यारी फ्रेंडशिप अपनी सबसे कराई है ना। यारों पे हाथ जाने वाली, जिंदा दिल यारों की यारी फ्रेंडशिप अपनी सबसे कराई है ना। क्यों नहीं तेरे तूफानों से हम मस्तियाँ, क्यों नहीं तेरे नगानों जैसे गलतियाँ, क्यों नहीं नहीं तेरे तूफानों से हम मस्तियाँ, क्यों नहीं तेरे नगानों जैसे गलतियाँ।
Now it is end of academic year. On behalf of St. Mary's High School, Mr. Batliwala has taken immense pleasure in inviting parents, grandparents, friends and honored guests to showcase the notable and exemplary performance of the students.
The glory of life is not in never falling. The true glory consists in rising each time we fall. I remember Swami Chinmayananji's enlightening words: to give maximum happiness to maximum people for the maximum time. And aims in Mary's High School is a Chinmaya Vision School. Our school aims to transform child's ability through knowledge, enabling them to meet the challenges in life. We at St. Mary's always try to give our students the skills they need in this 21st century era. For that, we use various methods, and project-based learning is one of them. PBL is learning by doing. It is an innovative process by which students are taught by giving real-life experience to solve major issues concerning society. Like every year, this year also we have come up with some innovative ideas where our students took part in various activities. Let us witness some of the glimpses of this groundbreaking program.
Of this academic year, we will introduce to one of the most interesting applications of Microsoft called Reading Challenge. So this application excited for this, started giving us reading challenge assignments. I was quite excited for this, as these assignments used to help me to develop my reading skills. In this reading challenge, we were given some extracts to read, and some of these extracts were taken from the book Wonder, written by renowned author R.J. Palacio.
So, in the last 3 years, we, the students of St. Mary's High School, have been included in project-based learning, where we have made visits to markets, garment factories, restaurants, and many such exciting places. I was so excited to know what the topic of PBL this year would be. And surprisingly, we were provided some books to read, and one of the books was Wonder.
The PBL was launched as an interesting activities and videos shown by our teachers. They also showed the interview of R.J. Palacio, the author of the book Wonder. When I researched, I came to know that the plot of Wonder was inspired by an actual event in the author's life.
Relatable to my this book. I realized that Wonder story is relatable to my story. It made me realize challenges faced by me or my friends at some point in our life. Sometimes at our home, school and society. Even sometimes I felt like it's my story. Really, this book inspired me to approach life with more compassionate and open-minded.
After some days, as our annual day was approaching, editorial team was formed. And I became part of it. At the beginning, it was so fascinating for me because we all were informed to write down similar experiences based on the book Wonder by R.J. Palacio. As a part of this, I I started jotting down similar incidents from my life. At the end, the whole editorial team came up with different stories. So, we all tried to convert the stories into a single script, which was honestly a very difficult task because all our experiences were different. Finally, we decided the importance of empathy annual day on the book Water, which taught me importance of empathy and resilience.
My name is Tikisha from grade 6, and this year I am also a part of PBL. I have attended the launch sessions of PBL in which I made the human mask. This activity was quite thrilling, you know. Our annual day was also a part of PBL, which is project-based learning.
I am pretty excited to know about the further PBL activities. I know some more activities will be planned for us, like book reading and book jacket making, and I am eagerly waiting for it.
This is our St. Mary's, that you it's holistic development to our students. I am pretty sure that you all are feeling proud to be a part of this school. So audience, we have witnessed outstanding achievements here. And now it's time to recognize someone truly notable and exceptional. The Marians Award is a symbol of greatness. As we consider the qualities that define us as human beings, I can't help but reflect on courage, kindness, friendship, and character. These are the qualities that propel us to greatness. Greatness lies not in being strong, but in the right using of strength. He is the greatest, whose strength carries up the most hard. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, without further ado, I am proud to announce this year's recipient of Marians Award. The student who is the greatest, whose strength carries up the most hard by attraction of his own. And this year's Marians Award goes to, my dear students, any guesses? He is Aditya Das. Dear parents, put your hands together, not just for Aditya Das, but for kindness, courage, and friendship that unite all the Saint Marians. Congratulations to our all the Marians. Do all the good you can, by all the means you can, in all the ways you can, in all the places you can, at all the times you can, to all the people you can, as long as you ever can. Dear Aditya, do you want to say something?
Then again, maybe it's a kind of point. Maybe the truth is, I'm really not so ordinary. Maybe if we knew what other people were thinking, we would know that no one is ordinary. And we all deserve a standing ovation at least once in a life. My friends do. My teachers do. My sister does for always being there for me. My father does for making us laugh. And my mother does the most for never giving up on anything, especially me. It's like a last precept Mr. Priyadarshani ma'am gave us. Be kind, for everyone is fighting a hard battle. And if you really want to see what people are, all you have to do is look. Look. Look around you. Look around you. Maybe you find Aditya in you, next to you.
कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफलहेतुर्भूः मा ते संगोऽस्त्व कर्मणि।
अखिल अटल तू आदिल है, तू कहाँ से इतना बेहतर है। जब जीत रही तेरी मुट्ठी में जीने से मरना बेहतर है। तू जीत ले ऊंचे अंबर को, चल जीत ले सात समंदर को। क्या आग लगी तेरे अंदर को, दिखला दुनिया को मैं। चल उठ सिकंदर कौन धुरंधर,
बदला दुनिया को मैं।
चल उठ सिकंदर कौन धुरंधर,
बदला दुनिया को मैं।
चल उठ सिकंदर कौन धुरंधर,
बदला दुनिया को मैं।
चल उठ सिकंदर कौन धुरंधर।
बदला दुनिया को मैं।
है तू अजल, तू बालवीर बल, तुझे कौन विफल कर दे, मानू कर दल से दुनिया नापी है। तू बालवीर बलशाली, कौन विफल कर दे, मानू कर दल से दुनिया नापी है। तू बालवीर बलशाली है, अल आलिम शक्तिशाली है। पहचान तू खुद को कौन कौन, बदला दुनिया को मैं। चल उठ सिकंदर कौन धुरंधर,
बदला दुनिया को मैं।
चल उठ सिकंदर कौन धुरंधर,
बदला दुनिया को मैं।
चल उठ सिकंदर कौन धुरंधर,
बदला दुनिया को मैं।
चल उठ सिकंदर कौन धुरंधर।
बदला दुनिया को मैं।
तब तू रख ले तलवार हते कर, साहस कर तू फतेह फतेह। ते जीत जीत कर जीते हैं, निश्चय कर मेहनत करी जते। ना साम दाम क्या दंड भेद, हो शस्त्र अस्त्र नक्षत्र वेद। नतमस्तक होकर खेद जगत, जितला दुनिया को मैं। चल उठ सिकंदर कौन धुरंधर,
बदला दुनिया को मैं।
चल उठ सिकंदर कौन धुरंधर,
बदला दुनिया को मैं।
चल उठ सिकंदर
दुनिया को, बदला दुनिया को मैं।
चल उठ सिकंदर कौन धुरंधर।
बदला